We are building ramps and learning with numbers today.
And
so
jump over it.
And we jumped all over it. So we built this ramp out of recyclables, random boxes, and taped them together. We actually put some things underneath too, some boxes to build up the ramp and give us some leverage here. And then we wanted to work on letters or numbers today, so we put the numbers all the way down to see how far we can go and see if we can beat our own record. The cool part about this diaper box or white box is when I opened it, it had these little things, little flaps in there with the handles, and they're perfect jumps. So we're pretty excited about that. And then we also have some shapes that we've added. So he knows most of his shapes, but we thought it'd be kind of fun. And there's a jump in the middle there too. So let's take off. Are you ready? Let's see what happens. On your mark, get set, go! Oh, we have to adjust it maybe a little bit. Pull this back a little bit and see. All right, ready? Can you put the book and the controller back on there? On the back? Hold that up. We had to do some problem solving to figure this all out. Hold the book up so it goes. All right, and let's see if it will maneuver again. On your mark, get set, go! Oh, what are we gonna have to do? Uh-oh, we're gonna have to make some changes again. Let's see. Where is the problem? Maybe this needs to go back some more. The book. Okay, let's try it out and see if it works. Ready, set. Oh, what number did we get? We got to number
1.
this one here. Number. Oh, that was a tricky one. Round the turn and make a belly. Number 6. Good job. And we go again. Let's see. And you might have to change it around. I know when we made ramps last time, we made them over there. So it just depends. What number is that? Oh, number 20. Very cool. And then take turns. My turn, your turn. Good job. Have fun building ramps today.